hobbies that help reduce anxiety. Anxiety is the second skin to many individuals mired in their daily drudgery. The tiniest things that trigger anxiety are so common that it happens out of habit. But this does not mean we have mastered it. No one is immune to anxiety. It has nothing to do with age or gender or sexual preference, age, financial position, etc. It simply stems out of unpredictability, and unfortunately, life is uncertain and unpredictable. It will induce anxiety, good, bad, and ugly, at any point of time. There are about 40 million Americans who are diagnosed with anxiety disorder, and it stems from some big or small stressful event in life. Just because anxiety can creep up onto anyone at any point, it does not mean nothing can be done about it. Anxiety, like phobias, needs to be conquered. We need to face it and conquer its core. Therefore, here are 6 hobbies that can help reduce anxiety. Painting or maintaining a journal. Painting or coloring is known to be therapeutic. So, if you are someone who is constantly connected on the social media apps, it is time you stop and start doing something constructive. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and daily happenings in the journal is a great idea. This helps to analyze and study your thoughts so you realize what is causing you trouble and how you avoid them. Reading for leisure or watching TV. Every book you read need not be for some learning. You can read a book guilt-free for fun. Pick up a light read and don't think of anyone judging you. Similarly, watching something as silly as a cartoon or a rerun of a real old show can help you de-stress. Go outdoors. Nature is the best healer. You need to spend time alone out in the nature. Go for a walk, take a bicycle ride, meditate, or go hiking. It will help clear and calm your mind. Practice yoga and mindfulness. You need to learn to control the chaos in your mind. Practicing mindfulness might be the key to end this confusion. Try yoga, meditation, hiking, swimming, and running. Daily exercise is a great way to flush out all the toxins and feel great about oneself. It is a good way to channelize all the pent-up anger, frustration, and dormant energies. Seek therapy. There is nothing wrong in seeking out a therapist. In fact, it is a proven thing that talking to someone you have no personal connection with, that is a stranger, can help you divulge all your reasons as to why and what causes anxiety, what upsets you, and it can also help determine the root causes. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.